Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to find, analyze, and buy stocks using the Trading 212 app. Whether you're new to investing or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get started. Step by step, when you open the Trading 212 app, the homepage shows you a watch list of major stocks by default. This is where you'll see some of the top companies already added for quick access. But the great thing is, you can personalize this watch list by adding stocks you're interested in, making it easier to track the companies you care about most. You'll also notice there are quick filters available to view stocks based on performance. You can tap on options like top winners and top losers to see which stocks are currently surging or dropping the most. This is a useful way to spot trends or potential buying opportunities. If you're looking for a specific company, simply tap the search icon at the top of the page. This opens up a more detailed section where stocks are organized in different categories, for example, most traded, most bought or sold, by industry like tech or banking, and by regions such as US or UK markets. There's even a section for companies with upcoming earnings reports. You can scroll through these categories to explore new investment ideas, or just type in the name of a company directly. For this example, let's search for Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Please note, this is just an example. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and speak to a qualified advisor if you're unsure about an investment. Once you tap on Alphabet, you'll be taken to a detailed stock page. Here, you can check how the share price has changed over time, from 1 day to 1 year or more. You'll also see company-related news, community posts from other Trading 212 users, and data on recent price movements over the past 24 hours and the past year. Scrolling further, you'll find key financial metrics like market cap, price-to-earnings ratio, total revenue, and earnings per share. You can even set price alerts if you want to be notified when the stock reaches a certain level. If you decide to invest, you can press the blue buy button. One of the great features of Trading 212 is that it supports fractional investing. This means you don't need to buy a whole share. You can invest with as little or as much money as you want. Even if the stock is priced in the hundreds or thousands of dollars, you can use the sliding scale to choose the amount of money you'd like to invest. Alternatively, tap the keypad icon if you prefer entering an exact number. You can also switch from investing by cash value to investing by the number of shares. There are 4 types of orders available. A market order executes the purchase at the best available price when the market is open. A limit order buys the stock only when the price drops to or below a certain level. Stop order buys when the price rises above a certain point. And a stop limit order lets you set a price range for buying, giving you more control over the trade. If you're buying US stocks, the app may ask if you want to activate 24/5 trading. This means your investment can rise or fall even outside of regular trading hours, potentially giving you more flexibility, especially around major events like earnings reports. Just remember, trading outside of regular hours can come with lower liquidity and wider spreads, so make sure you understand the risks. And that's it. Trading 212 makes it pretty straightforward to find and invest in the companies you believe in. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video. Drop a comment if you have questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!